Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tionia in the house. Guys, a long time I do one video, so let's get right into it. Now we're gonna make some vegetarian dish or healthy dish, so to speak. Alright, I have some vegetable cut up right here, bell peppers, onion, cucumber, and I have some carrot over here. Alright, I'm gonna cut them up too. Yeah, I have some cabbage, about quarter. I want cabbage, a big one, them get it at Walmart. And 2 Maggi cubes. We're gonna use some olive oil, some of my blended seasoning. Olive oil, right? That we do. Somebody said to put one baked bean or butter bean. Butter bean. Put one butter bean in there. So we'll see. Watch your finger, guys. I cut them in like few pieces so we can get this strip. And when you cut them again, guys, just cut them how you want it. You can cut it thicker, thinner. Like cut them again, so. Watch your finger. Something like that. Alright, gonna put the onions. We're gonna fry up all of this, guys. Just a stir fry, quick. Don't fry them up too long. Inside scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna put a little bit of my blended green all-purpose seasoning. About a tablespoon. Because the cabbage easily cook, guys, so we just stir fry this for about 1-2 minutes, and then the cabbage, whatever seasoning you have to put in there. Put one little piece of scotch bonnet pepper, 2 pieces. More. Pull out your bonnet. More scotch bonnet pepper. We're gonna also put few pimento. Allspice. When you're cooking it, guys, make it a little bit crunchy because you want to taste the crunchiness, alright? Don't make it too soggy and all of that. 1 more minute and then we're gonna add the cabbage. Alright, guys, you know, straight out of Jamaica, got it at Walmart. Butter bean, we're gonna add one to this, alright? Put that in. So this is how it's looking. Add a little bit of Maggi seasoning, and I have 2 Maggi cubes, alright? And then we're gonna season the taste, alright? You don't want to put no salt in there, you add the seasoning, then you go 2 salt, and some people are gonna say the salt. This here look nice, see? Once they start to bend and all of that, you know so them a get soft. Alright, my peeps, this is it. Alright, we're gonna go in with the cabbage. Remember to wash it. You don't need to put any water, alright? The cabbage in its own water, okay? Give it a little stir. Get some color from the behind. If you have tomato and you want to put tomato, you can do it as well. I don't have any tomato. Like that. Alright, let me stir this up for a while. We're gonna add 2 Maggi cubes or whatever. It's a veggie stuff. Oh, then when you're tough. Oh. You can add the chicken one. I'm going to go in with a little bit of black pepper, a little bit more garlic powder, well, some garlic powder, in a little bit more onion powder. Hard up. And after you mix it and stir, you can taste it if you want any more salt or anything. I take up this here. You know, yes, no, guys. And just stir it up and take it off if you want. Depends on how crunchy you want it. Right? Depends on how you like it. Some people like it really crunchy. You know, like it's soft. I'm gonna go in with this one. This is the first I'm putting it in it, so let's see. Cabbage with some butter bean. Yeah, so stir fry. On that, guys. You want the butter bean to warm up and all of that. Warm up to the thing. And now you can taste it. Put whatever else you want in it. Alright guys, we are turning off. Alright my peeps, we are going to plate up some of this now. I have some Jamaican breadfruit. It turned. No say this one cut out, but no watch no face guys. It's turning hot. Me just warm it up. But you can fry it if you want. Just cut out a little piece there. Whoever eat it. Hot. 2 pieces. 3 pieces. Why it have so much? Ooh. Some color in it. I found the breadfruit always sweet, guys. Ooh. I have some plantain over here. And one more thing, guys. That's it. Avocado. Pear. Jamaican people say pear. Some people put the skin on, guys, and you can take it off. It's up to you. If you want to serve it with the skin, serve it. If you want to take it off, you just cut the top like that. And you just peel it off. See? And you can serve it with the skin. It's up to you. People them can take fork and cut it out. Guys, I'm going to serve it as is. Me not touch plate, but in my belly. Alright guys, this is it. This is my little stir fry butter bean with cabbage with lots of vegetable. Alright guys, that's it. Breadfruit, sweet breadfruit, roast breadfruit, turned breadfruit. Alright guys, love upon me and I love upon you. Yeah. Who want a piece of me pear? Yeah. This have to eat with some bulla later. Alright guys, you have a good day. Bye. And please remember to love upon me and I love upon you. Bye guys. Tell me how it is. Take a look at everything. It's gonna drop off. It's good.
So delicious.
Eat some more. Eat a little bit. Firefighter cookies. There you go, guys. Yeah, pear salon. It's good. Alright guys, love upon me and I love upon you. I'll come back with more video. Yeah, bye guys.